Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Fall Winter 19 Supreme Waist Bag. Overall, I think this is a really nice bag, and I highly suggest picking it up while you can, just because I think this is going to be really expensive once the season ends, just because this is one of the better waist bags I've seen them release in a while. So make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the video to see the review on this. So now let's get right into the review. So like I said, this bag retails for $88, which is pretty much on par with the last season's bag, but I think this one's better in my opinion, so I think this would be the better buy. So just starting off with the front, as you can see, Supreme patch in the front. Most Supreme bags have this. And then there's also two straps going up the middle on each side, which make it so that way it's like keep this part, the main compartment, more secure. Also going on the top, it says Supreme in white embroidery. This isn't reflective. That'd be super dope if it was. And then there's also a little backpack looking strap on it. And then going to the back, just plain black, and then the flaps for both of the straps. And then there's a big buckle in the front, so to clip it onto you. And then the straps are adjustable in case you didn't know. Both sides of the bag have these like water bottle holders, but I don't know what you're gonna be able to fit in them, because as you can see, they're pretty small in my opinion. I don't think you'd be able to fit a water bottle in them unless you like really stretched them out. And then there's also these little like flaps right here. I don't know what you'd put on those, so I don't know what these are. I guess just a little design thing. And then that's pretty much it for the outside of the bag. There's a zipper pouch right under here, but I don't want to zip it just so it's like, I don't want to risk accidentally ripping this tag off because I'm planning on selling this eventually. But this is a pretty spacious pouch. I'm assuming it goes from here to about down to here, and it spans the whole length of the bag. So you can fit a lot of stuff in the front pouch, but it's not as easily accessible as the top zipper part is. So I think definitely don't put like your phone or wallet in here unless you're planning on using them for a while, just because the accessibility of it is a little less than the accessibility of the top. I just think it's gonna be easier to access stuff from the top. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag, and then after that I'm gonna show you what it looks like on a person. So I'm gonna put it on me and you can see what it looks like. This bag's pretty big, just so you know. So you'll see that once I get to the wearing part of the video. So to get into the main slot, you have to undo these two buckles, which could be a good and bad thing. It could be bad just because it's like harder to get in, but it also is good just so stuff has a less likely chance to fall out, just because it keeps it hooked in. Oh, also on the bottom, I forgot, there's like this little cinch thing on the bottom. Like if you pull it, it like gets like smaller. So I don't know what this is for. I guess if you like want it to be smaller or something, but I just think it's more of a design thing if anything. So opening up the big pouch, inside is super spacious. As you can see, you can easily fit like water bottles, your phone, your wallet. You can fit a bunch of stuff in here. This would be a great bag as like a backpack alternative. And then I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it says like Supreme, and it says that in multiple places, so it's like a pattern, which I think is pretty cool. I didn't know that when I first got the bag. And there's also a little clip. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, so I don't know what you clip on that, just if you have something and you don't want it to get lost inside the bag. So that's a really nice feature, I guess. But overall, this has a really spacious main compartment. I think this is a really nice bag, especially if you don't use a backpack. It's a lot smaller than a backpack, and it holds still quite a bit of stuff. You could easily fit a couple of water bottles or a phone in it. So this would also be a great bag for concerts or parties. Or not really parties, more like concerts or traveling. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you're wearing it. So to do that, you would either unhook the buckle, but I don't need to do that because it's just big enough. So most people wear these cross bodies, so that's what I'm gonna do for the video. So as you can see, takes up a pretty good portion of your torso. So if that's like not something you want, don't get this bag, but I think it looks pretty good. I know I'm gonna see a bunch of these in pictures eventually on Instagram, but nice little flex. You can see Supreme and Supreme up top really big. So if you want to flex at school, definitely get this. You can also adjust the straps. I'm not going to adjust them because I don't know how to adjust them, but if you have the back, definitely figure out how to do that. So this is what it looks like on the person. As you put more stuff, it'll like look fuller. I just have nothing in it, so it's like really small. So that's what it looks like on the person. So overall, I think this is a really nice bag. I think this will be really popular as the season goes on. And once the season's over, I think this will be something that increases a lot in value just because of the design. I personally think it's really cool. So it's a lot better than last season's bags in my opinion. So make sure to pick this up now while you can, while you can still get it for retail. Or if you wait too long, you're gonna have to start paying resale for it, and that might not be what you wanna do. So overall, really nice bag. I highly recommend it. That's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.